What's up, everyone? Welcome back to All About AI Tech, the channel where we break down complex AI concepts into easy-to-understand bites. I'm your name, and today we're diving into the fascinating world of AI in education. Buckle up, because things are about to get seriously cool. AI is transforming the way we learn. From personalized tutoring apps to AI-powered language learning platforms, technology is opening up a world of possibilities for students of all ages. Imagine having access to a 24/7 tutor who can answer your questions, provide instant feedback, and tailor lessons to your specific needs. That's the power of AI in education. One of the most exciting developments in AI education is the rise of AI chatbots. These intelligent assistants act like virtual tutors, guiding students through complex topics, offering personalized support, and making learning more engaging than ever. But here's the thing. Building an effective AI chatbot is no easy feat. It's not just about spitting out facts. It's about creating a truly personalized and valuable learning experience. You see, these educational chatbots are powered by large language models, or LLMs for short. LLMs are these incredibly complex AI systems trained on massive datasets of text and code. They can generate text, translate languages, and even write different kinds of creative content. But evaluating their effectiveness in an educational setting is tricky. It's not like we can just give them a multiple-choice test. We need to assess their ability to engage students, use supportive language, adapt to different learning styles, and most importantly, avoid harmful content. And because every interaction is unique, traditional evaluation methods simply don't cut it. That's where FlexEval comes in, guys. FlexEval is a game-changing, open-source evaluation tool specifically designed to evaluate LLM-powered systems like educational chatbots. Think of it as a powerful toolkit for AI developers and educators who want to create the best possible learning experience for students. FlexEval lets developers rerun conversations that didn't go as planned, apply custom metrics to assess specific aspects of the chatbot's performance, and even evaluate both past and present interactions. One of the coolest things about FlexEval is its crazy customization. Developers can use simple, editable files to control how the chatbot is evaluated. They can even design their own custom evaluation metrics and create rubrics to assess specific aspects of the chatbot's responses. And don't even get me started on integrations. FlexEval plays nicely with a variety of LLMs, giving developers the flexibility to choose the best language model for their needs. And let's talk about data privacy for a sec. With FlexEval, you don't have to worry about sensitive student data floating around in the cloud. All evaluations are run locally, keeping education information safe and sound. Now, you might be wondering, how do we know FlexEval actually works? Well, the researchers put it to the test. In one experiment, they used FlexEval to assess the safety of a chatbot designed to interact with students. They used a dataset called the Bot Adversarial Dialogue Dataset, or BAD, to see if the chatbot would produce harmful or inappropriate responses. FlexEval helped identify potential issues early on, allowing developers to improve the chatbot's safety before releasing it to the public. Another experiment used FlexEval to analyze conversations between students and an AI-powered math tutor. The team used a dataset from the National Council of Teachers of English, or NCT, to see how well the AI tutor stayed on task and provided helpful guidance. FlexEval effortlessly classified the tutor's responses, giving developers valuable insights into the chatbot's performance and highlighting areas for improvement. FlexEval is a game changer, but this is just the beginning. As AI technology evolves, we can expect even more sophisticated and personalized learning experiences powered by AI. Imagine AI chatbots that can understand not just what you're saying, but also how you're feeling, to provide emotional support and guidance. Imagine virtual classrooms that adapt to your learning style in real time, offering personalized challenges and rewards. The possibilities are truly limitless. FlexEval is a testament to the power of collaboration and open-source development. By making these tools accessible to everyone, we can help ensure that AI chatbots in education live up to their incredible potential. So, what do you guys think about the future of AI in education? Are you excited? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to All About AI Tech for more awesome AI content. As always, thanks for watching.